Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the name of the chemistry law stating that the pressure of a gas at constant temperature varies inversely with its volume? Is it A. Dalton's law, B. Gay-Lussac's law, C. Boyle's law, or D. Charles's law? The answer is C. Boyle's law.
Boyle's law, named after the 17th century scientist Robert Boyle, revolutionized our understanding of gases. It was discovered in 1662 when Boyle used a J-shaped tube to trap air and mercury, observing how pressure and volume interacted. This discovery laid the groundwork for modern chemistry and even influenced early steam engine designs.
Question 2. What was the first name of the physicist Newton? Is it A. Albert, B. Herbert, C. Luigi, or D. Isaac? The answer is D. Isaac.
Isaac Newton, born on Christmas Day in 1642, was not only a pioneering physicist but also an alchemist and theologian. He once stuck a needle into his eye socket to study light and color. His curiosity knew no bounds, leading to groundbreaking discoveries in gravity and motion.
Question 3. Who invented the elevator? Is it A. Thomas Edison, B. Elisha Otis, C. Maxwell Hoff, or D. Marshall Rivet? The answer is B. Elisha Otis.
Elisha Otis revolutionized vertical transportation in 1852 by inventing a safety brake for elevators, making them safe and reliable. His dramatic demonstration at the 1854 New York World's Fair, where he cut the elevator cable and his invention prevented a fall, captivated audiences and paved the way for modern skyscrapers.
Question 4. What is coniology the study of? Is it A. Life, B. Dogs, C. Human culture, or D. Atmospheric dust and its effects? The answer is D. Atmospheric dust and its effects.
Coniology delves into the microscopic world of atmospheric dust, revealing its surprising influence on climate and health. These tiny particles can travel thousands of miles, affecting weather patterns and even carrying microorganisms across continents. From vibrant sunsets to respiratory issues, coniology uncovers the hidden impact of dust swirling in our skies.
Question 5. What is the name of the dinosaur that had a large sail-like structure on its back? Is it A. Triceratops, B. Stegosaurus, C. Spinosaurus, or D. Diplodocus? The answer is C. Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus, the sail-backed giant, roamed Earth around 100 million years ago and is believed to be the largest carnivorous dinosaur. Its distinctive sail might have been used for thermoregulation or display. Unlike most dinosaurs, Spinosaurus was semi-aquatic, adept at swimming and hunting in water with its crocodile-like snout.
Question 6. Which of these is a hard variety of coal known for burning with little flame or smoke? Is it A. Anthracite, B. Peat, C. Bituminous, or D. Lignite? The answer is A. Anthracite.
Anthracite, often called black diamond, is the oldest and most metamorphosed type of coal. It boasts a carbon content of over 86%, making it incredibly efficient and clean burning. This rare coal variety was so prized in the 19th century that it fueled the Industrial Revolution, powering steam engines and heating homes.
Question 7. What is Astacology the study of? Is it A. Earth materials, B. The night sky, C. Crayfish, or D. Blood? The answer is C. Crayfish.
Astacology, the study of crayfish, delves into these fascinating freshwater crustaceans known for their ability to regenerate lost limbs. Crayfish are often called crawdads or mudbugs and play a crucial role in aquatic ecosystems as both predators and prey. Their burrowing habits even help aerate soil and improve water quality.
Question 8. What is symbology the study of? Is it A. Reptiles and amphibians, B. The structure of cells, C. The study and interpretation of symbols or a set of symbols, or D. The process of biological evolution? The answer is C. The study and interpretation of symbols or a set of symbols.
Symbology, the study of symbols and their meanings, plays a crucial role in understanding ancient cultures. For instance, the Ankh symbol in ancient Egypt represented life and immortality. This field deciphers how symbols like these convey complex ideas across time and cultures, influencing art, religion, and communication throughout history.
Question 9. Ethylene glycol is frequently used in automobiles. What for? Is it A. Engine oil, B. Windscreen wash fluid, C. Antifreeze, or D. Brake fluid? The answer is C. Antifreeze.
Ethylene glycol, the key ingredient in antifreeze, not only prevents your car's engine from freezing in winter but also keeps it cool during summer. This dual-purpose liquid has a sweet taste, which is why manufacturers add a bittering agent to deter animals and children from ingesting this toxic substance.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the world of science and nature, curiosity never rests. It's always a matter of matter and time. Stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.